Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Instagram on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Instagram. Go to Instagram and then click on install. Wait till it installs. It needs a while. Click on open and then you will be logged in into Instagram. That's how you can log in into Instagram. Okay, now let's say that I have logged out from this one and I need to log back in. So all I need to do is enter my email ID and password and hit enter. That's how easy it is. It just works the same way the website works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.